Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad Pinoy style full guide. Peel and dice all fruits into uniform bite-sized pieces and place them in a large chilled bowl to keep textures crisp. Use ripe mangoes, apples, grapes, pineapples, and nata de coco for authentic texture. Toss gently with sweetened condensed milk and a touch of all-purpose cream, then chill for at least 1 hour so flavors marry and the salad serves cold and refreshing. Start by combining diced fruits in a bowl and taste a piece to check sweetness levels. If fruits are tart, add 2 tablespoons of sugar or more to balance. Pour in 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk and 1 cup of all-purpose cream, then fold gently to coat without breaking fruit. Chill for at least 1 hour before serving so flavors blend and textures stay pleasantly firm for each bite. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. I loved how comfy they felt after long kitchen prep sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals that help keep the channel running. Thanks for watching and supporting small creators. Now let's get back to the video. Serve fruit salad chilled in individual bowls or a large glass trifle bowl for a showy presentation. Garnish with grated cheddar cheese, toasted coconut, or rainbow sprinkles to layer sweet and savory notes. If preparing ahead, reserve a small amount of dressing to refresh textures before serving and avoid overmixing to prevent mushiness. Keep leftovers covered in the refrigerator and consume within 2 days for best quality and safety safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.